equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the potentiometer and panel on your Thermomix TM31. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 from the power source to ensure safety. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the unit. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the panel. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Now, with the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the Thermomix. Locate the potentiometer, which is usually situated near the control panel. It is a small, round component with 3 terminals. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully disconnect the wires attached to the potentiometer. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will be important when installing the new potentiometer. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, remove the old potentiometer by unscrewing it from its mount. Take your new potentiometer and secure it in place using the screws you just removed. Reconnect the wires according to the notes you made earlier. Ensure that each connection is secure to avoid any issues later on. Now, let's move on to the panel replacement. If your panel is damaged or not functioning correctly, it's essential to replace it to ensure the proper operation of your Thermomix. Carefully detach the old panel by unscrewing it from the front of the unit. Again, keep the screws safe for reinstallation. Take your new panel and align it with the screw holes. Secure it in place with the screws, ensuring it is firmly attached. Once the panel is in place, double-check all connections and ensure everything is tidy inside the unit. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to clean the internal components with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the performance of your Thermomix. After cleaning, carefully place the back panel back onto the unit, ensuring that all wires are tucked away safely. Reinsert the screws and tighten them securely. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM31 back into the power source and test the new potentiometer and panel. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the potentiometer and panel on your Thermomix. If you encounter any issues or prefer professional assistance, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation and a quote before repair. No calls, no travel, we make it easy for you. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.